Hey there, folks. If you're a Huntington Bank customer and find yourself needing a fresh debit card in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether your old card is worn out, lost, or just compromised, getting a new one is straightforward and can be done quickly. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can handle it with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're eligible. Huntington Bank typically offers new debit cards to active account holders, so log into your online banking portal or app to check your account status. If everything's in order, you're good to go. Now, the most convenient way to request a new card is through the Huntington mobile app or website. Open the app, navigate to the Cards section, and look for the option to request a replacement. You'll need to provide a reason, like lost card or damage, and confirm your details. This usually takes just a few minutes. If you prefer a more personal touch, head to your nearest Huntington branch. Bring along your ID and any required documents. They'll guide you through the process on the spot. Once your request is submitted, Huntington will process it swiftly. In 2025, expect your new card to arrive via mail within 7 to 10 business days, depending on your location and any security checks. Don't forget to activate your new card as soon as it arrives. You can do this through the app, online, or by calling the number on the card. While you're at it, update any auto payments or linked services to avoid any hiccups. One quick tip. Always report a lost or stolen card immediately to protect your account. Huntington's fraud team is top-notch for that. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your new Huntington debit card in no time. If you have any questions or run into issues, check the bank's FAQ or contact customer support. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you next time.